Hi Scorpios, welcome to my channel. So in today's video we are going to check your person's current feelings towards you and what is going to be their next step in regards with this relationship and with you. So this is going to be a general reading. It may or may not resonate with all of you, so take what resonates and leave the rest. And if you want to book an appointment with me, you can go to my Instagram page by the name The Magical Aura. The link is given in the description box below, so you can DM me over there. Okay, so let's get started with your reading now. For my Scorpios, what's happening with my Scorpios? What's going on with them and their person? Scorpios and their person. Scorpios and their person. Okay. Alright, so let's see what are their current energies, the current feelings towards you, Scorpios. So we have the 8 of Wands. So it's looking like, you know, there's too much of going on in this relationship. They're very confused as well. They are connected towards you. They want to talk to you, but it's like, you know, stress, a lot of stress might be because of their other things in their life, like their job, or there's something is happening, you know. It's not only you in their life, there are a lot of other stuff in their life as well, and that is why these rapid changes are creating some problems. This can be a reason, but we will clarify what exactly it is. Okay, so what do they think that you are thinking about them? So we have the 6 of Cups here. All right, so I think they feel that either you are involved with them. Okay, so this person can be a person with whom you have been in a long-term relationship with, like 4 to 6 years of relationship. This person can also be a little, you know, suspicious about you, that you might be even talking to some other person, like somebody from the past is connecting with you and you are in with them totally. So this is not your actual feelings. This is what they feel, what they think that you are thinking about them. So they are definitely, there's some kind of a return of somebody from the past, so that is why they might be feeling a lot. But we are going to clarify what exactly this card is. Okay, what is the obstacle in this relationship? 7 of Cups. As we just talked before, that, you know, too much is going on. It's like exploring other options. So somebody out of you both, I feel that they are thinking that there is someone around you, and that you are exploring other options, that you are connecting with other people because they want time from you. You might not be giving it to them, so something is going on. So this is not the exact energy of yours, but they are actually thinking about you. And this clarity, the problem which you both are facing, the clarity has not been given yet by each of you. Either of you, either you are the one or they are the one, whosoever this person is. But yes, definitely this is the feeling where, yeah, where they are clearly, which is coming up here, that they are clearly thinking that you are involved in either some other work or with some other person. They think that. Okay, what are going to be their actions towards this situation? 8 of Cups is here. This is not a very good sign for their actions, because these are the signs of a person who does not clarify. And if a person has started feeling emotionally disconnected in regards with a relationship, so they just move on, you know, not going to look back towards the relationship. I don't think they're going to make things work with you. They are not able to communicate, because they are already communicating, and it looks to me like nothing is happening. It's a lot. Somebody from the past is like a problem in this relationship. Either it's you who are talking, or there's somebody in your memories whom you are still thinking and thinking, and nothing is happening. Okay, so your actions towards this relationship. Knight of Swords. I think you are going to be, at least you will talk about the truth. Okay, you are more in a relation with, if a person is taking a decision, you are there to at least sort it out. Okay, you will be the one who will at least talk to this person, because they clearly are not going to talk about it. They are just moving on. They are, emotions unsaid, and something, just nothing is happening with them. But you are certainly talking to this person, which I feel. But let's see. Okay, what is the final outcome of this relationship? The Sun is here. So I'm going to clarify this card, but the Sun always means that, it always, I really feel it in a very positive way. But there is something in Sun also, that we feel that this person or this relationship, if a lot of sun, what does sun do? It gives a lot of light, and when a lot of light comes, you are not able to see anything. Okay, but it clearly doesn't say about darkness. So I would try to tell you in this thing that your plans, if you are trying to talk to this person, they will definitely work out if you are trying. Because somebody has to talk, because they are not talking, because their emotions, they are leaving the emotions, they are leaving the feelings about you, about this relationship, and they want to move on. They do not want to talk about it, but you want to. So if you want to talk about it, and if you both talk to each other, things can be made fine. Because I see that likings are there, but the communication is not. Okay, so what is going to be the overall energy of this relationship? I see Four of Swords. At this time, the overall energy is Four of Swords, because because this is a very silent energy. This is a person who starts meditating, who does not communicate. So that is the problem with this relationship. No communication at all. Whether you both are talking to each other, but you're not talking about the right things. You are not there, when you are actually, you want to make a decision, you want to talk to this person, but you are not. There's somebody who is feeling very exhausted, and somebody is not even sleeping a lot at this time. Something is happening. So it can be you, it can be them as well, because it's like overthinking about a situation but not talking about it. It clearly tells us about that this relationship might be entering towards depression or something like that. Somebody is feeling very sad and exhausted. Okay, let me clarify this Eight of Wands. Why this Eight of Wands is here? Transformation. Yeah, they are clearly, they want to clear a lot of stuff, but transformation clearly tells us that releasing from everything. So they might be releasing everything from with this relationship. So they are releasing the relationship with you, they are releasing their energies from you towards something else, because change of priorities are seen with the Eight of Cups as well in their actions. They might be changing their priorities, they might be moving towards someone else. This obstacle can be can be them as well. Okay, so I'm not telling that you are the one who is communicating with someone else. This person can also be exploring other options, talking to some other people, when you do not feel that this is the relationship which you should work on. They clearly are in a place where they do not want to communicate a lot, Scorpio. That is what is actually coming up, because you want to communicate, you want to talk, but they do not want to talk. They are changing their paths, they are going to different direction, not you. So, and without talking, yeah. So let me clarify the cards. For the Six of Cups in your energy. Why the Six of Cups is here? Who is the Six of Cups? Is it some other person, or is it them only? What is exactly the Six of Cups? Five of Pentacles. I feel that this is not the other person. This is you, this is the same person. I also feel that this person has also dumped you, or this person has also left you at a certain time. Just this person can be the person from the past who has come again in your life, and you know that communication with you, their communication with you, have talked to you, you know, clarify a lot of stuff from the past, whatever that was, but again ready to move on, not being with you. So this is the same person which is coming, and that is why this person is the one who is exploring other options with some other people, or they have changed their priorities, and that is the reason they are not going to take any step, because they are the ones who are leaving. So why will they take any step in regards with this relationship, right? Because this negative thoughts which are coming up with the 5 of Pentacles, so because you are afraid that they might leave you again, and that is what is coming. Reconciliation was there. I feel that this person is the same person, and the reconciliation happened between both of you, and again this person is ready to move on. Wow. What is the obstacle in this relationship with the 7 of Cups? 6 of Pentacles. Yeah, giving a lot of love from your side but not getting enough from their side. That is what is the obstacle. You are giving a lot, because 2 sixes have come in your part. So I think that this is your energy only with the 6 of Pentacles, and you know, sharing everything, sharing your wealth as well, sharing your love, sharing your energies, whatever this is. You are the one who is sharing. You are, and they are the one who are actually receiving, because this is on their part, you know, this is on their side of the story. It's like they are the ones who are receiving, you know, and you are the one who is giving. So that is why I'm getting that they are the ones who are getting all the love and care from you. But I don't think that this person is ready to accept that thing as well. Yeah, moving on. Conflicts. They are the ones who are creating the conflicts in this relationship, and because they are very ambitious, you know, they want to go some other place, but how to walk away from this thing, you know, by creating a drama, by telling you that something is happening in my life, I am not happy, I am like there are things going on in my family pressure bringing up that, work pressure bringing that things up, that I should leave this relationship because I have a lot going on in my life. So these are the excuses of a person who is a coward, who is not ready to accept, because that this person is showing us the back. See, the back is shown in both the cards. This person is not ready to face the situation, but you are ready. This is what is coming in your, you are ready to take action, you are ready to talk, but they are not. Okay, I want to check why the Knight of Swords is here in your energies of action. The Hermit, one more card. Awakening. Yeah, your actions clearly tell us that you will take an action, you will talk to that person, but there's the self-respect which is coming up with these Hermit and the Awakening card. So which I feel that after your self-respect, once this person will not listen to you, you will become very peaceful, you will become very silent, that I don't care, I am not here to just make a person be happy towards me, always be thinking like I am the one, you know, I always make this person feel so special, that you are the one whom I love a lot. No, you are not going to do it for a long time. Yes, you are somebody who wants them back, but your spiritual life, your other things in your life, that is more important to you. Why the Sun is here in the overall energy? Page of Wands and Page of Swords. So your overall energy is coming. So the overall outcome of this, you know, of this relationship is not very mature kind of a outcome. It tells us that this might just end in like, it might have just started, like you both might have started talking just like now. Things happened really fast between both of you, but it's time to just accept the endings which are coming up, and being very logical, being very perspective, being very blunt whatever you are feeling, you are just going to tell them that, and they will accept it. You know, that optimistic behavior which I also feel that there is coming. So whatever the things are, you both will talk, and if you want to end this relationship, it will just end up in a very positive mode. No worries, no hard feelings for each other. If they want to move on, so just move on. Okay, so that is what you are telling them. Okay, so that is all from my side, my dear Scorpios. I hope that helps, and we are going to meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.